Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Frigate Ship Blueprint in Windrose. In case you were wondering what I'm talking about, over here on my recall ship, I pretty much have the Brethren Frigate. It's pretty much this very big ship right over here that I just recalled. And if you check over to your wharf and go to shipyard, you can find that there's several different ships that you can make. At the very start of the game, on one of your main quests, you're most likely going to craft the Ketch over here as your very first starting ship. But if you want to expand all of your blueprint, for example the Brethren Frigate that I have right now, you can buy it over in Tortuga. Now on my map right now, this is the island that I live at. And over here is Tortuga all the way to the south. However, it might be different for yours. Now thankfully, there is a quest line that will pinpoint you towards Tortuga. Over here on How My Sea Adventure Began quest line, it will say on the final objective to head over to the Tortuga market. And thankfully, this quest will place a pin on your map to know where Tortuga is, so you don't really have to worry about not finding your way over there. Now on the port of Tortuga, you're going to find the specific provisioner right over here from the Brethren coast. And on the bottom, you're going to find the ship design frigate. It will cost you 3,000 piastres, and at the very least, you need to have reached level 4 on the reputation level for this specific faction. Now I pretty much already bought this ship design, so I won't bother buying it again. But once you bought it, you should have unlocked it on your wharf back at your home base. Now back over to your wharf, if you check over to your shipyard, all of the 3 frigates that are going to be available to you are pretty much requiring the same amount of materials. At least 300 pieces of nails, 120 pieces of iron ingots, 320 pieces of wooden plank, 160 pieces of timber, 80 pieces of tarred planks, 240 linen fabric, 80 tarred fabric, 80 pieces of rope, and finally the shipwright's tools. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Frigate Ship Blueprint in Windrose.